Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi P3 students, welcome back in science lesson with Miss Raisa. So for today we are going to talk about what are some materials that is good conductor of heat. What is conductor? Let's discuss it together and do the experiment. Conductor of heat. So let's get to know what is conductor of heat. A material that allows heat to pass through quickly is a good conductor of heat. So the keyword here is allows heat to pass through quickly. Pass through berarti melewati. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, we can say material yang dapat menghantarkan panas. Itu berarti adalah good conductor. When we heat up one side of material that is a good conductor, the other side will warm up too, will get hot too. Just like this example, there is a pot filled with a hot water and then we put in one side of a pencil, scissor, ceramic, and plastic ruler. When it is a good conductor, the other side that is pointed by arrow, it will become warm. Yeah. Usually all metals are good conductor. Now we are going to do experiment to prove that. Let's start the experiment. Experiment time! Hi P3 students, back again with Miss Raisa. Now we are going to do some experiment to find out what are some good conductor of heat. This experiment refer to your workbook, page 83. What are some materials that you need to do this experiment? First, you will need 4 similar cups. In your workbook, it said that you have to use the 4 ceramic cup. However, here I only have 4 cups made from glass, but they are all in similar size. Okay, so if you want to do this experiment, make sure you use the same size of cups. So you will pour also a similar amount of water. Okay, the second, you have to prepare a spoon in different kinds of materials. Yeah, I have a plastic spoon, wooden spoon, and then metal spoon, and this one. It's supposed to be ceramic spoon, however I don't have it at home, but I want to try with this glass stirrer. In your workbook it said these 4 should be in similar size to make the experiment fair. However, look at this that I have here. Do you think these are same size? No, yeah. So do you think it's fair? Let's see what's the effect to the experiment. Yeah, but make sure if you have, you can use similar size of spoons. And then the last materials is some hot water. If you want to do this experiment, please ask for adult help to pour the hot water. Ya, atau you can just use water from the dispenser. Let's start with the experiment. Step 1. In step 1, you have to make sure you pour the same amount of water. Because I don't have a water measurement. I mark the glass with marker. So I will pour it in the same amount, okay? Carefully until the sign. Look at that, steaming, it's hot, yeah. Okay, so I already filled them with water. Now I will put each of the material, each spoon to the glass. start with metal, wood, plastic, and the glass stirrer. Okay, so we have to wait for 3 minutes. After that, we will try to grip this spoon. If the materials is a good conductor, then the spoon will get hotter or warmer at least, yeah, because the heat from the water will pass through to the material. But if it is not a good conductor, it's a bad conductor, it will not let the heat go through its materials. Okay, so before we check the result, can you predict which one do you think is the best conductor of heat? Do you think it's the metal, wood, plastic, or the glass? We know that when something is a good conductor of heat, it will let the heat pass through. So, the heat in the water will pass through and make this handle become hotter, right? But if it is a bad conductor of heat, the heat from the water will not be able to go through, to pass through to the handle quickly. And that will not make this handle hot. So, from these four, which one do you think is the best conductor? Make your prediction now. Okay, let's see the time. Oh yeah, it's already 3 minutes. Let's check it one by one. Which one do you think will get hot? Start from where? Here or here? Okay, I will start from here. It is warm. How about this? Not warm at all. Not warm at all. It's a bit warm. So, from here, we know that these two is a good conductor of heat because it getting warmer here. However, these two are not a good conductor of heat or bad conductor of heat. Let's start from the best. So the best conductor is metal, glass, and then glass, wood, plastic. That's all of the experiment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.